Here are 10 things to know about saving money. 1. Start by creating a budget and tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. 2. Set specific goals for your savings and create a plan to achieve them. 3. Consider automating your savings by setting up automatic transfers to a savings account. 4. Avoid impulsive purchases and stick to your budget. 5. Look for ways to reduce your fixed expenses, such as negotiating bills or downsizing your living arrangements. 6. Consider alternative ways to save money, such as buying used items or shopping in bulk. 7. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. 8. Avoid carrying high-interest debt, as it can quickly eat away at your savings. 9. Consider investing your savings to earn a higher rate of return. 10. Stay motivated by tracking your progress and celebrating your achievements along the way. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.